It's 12:22 here on this Monday. A little breezy and hot again. Not the very gusty winds like we saw yesterday, but the wind speed still gusting up to about 30 to 35 miles per hour. Dry weather today. I think we're looking at no rain today, and then probably for most of you, no rain all week. But if you're optimistic, there are small chances for rain returning Tuesday and Wednesday afternoons with the sea breeze, but very small showers, if even that, and mostly, I think, confined to Cameron and Wilson counties tomorrow and Wednesday. Rainfall amounts should also be very, very, very light if anything does pop up. But 93 right now in Harlingen, 96 in McAllen and Edinburg. If you're thinking about heading out for lunch, like I said, it's going to be dry, it's going to be breezy, and also feel kind of hot too. It already feels like it's over 100 with the heat index, with the humidity in the air. Feels like 97 though in Rio Grande City, but 104 in McAllen. And this afternoon, the breezes have picked up from the southeast. You see the wind speeds without the gusts right around 25 miles per hour in Harlingen and Raymondville, 23 in McAllen and 18 in Brownsville. But the gusts, as you saw earlier near the top of the hour, are at around 30 to 35 miles per hour. Future Track does show the wind speeds fairly breezy through early this evening. You notice kind of this yellowish color here indicates about a 20 to 25 mile per hour wind, and that's over most of the valley. Dies off tonight, so by tomorrow morning when you wake up, it's fairly light, maybe 5 miles per hour or so. Not as windy tomorrow. You see the colors don't really come back as much tomorrow, indicating not as breezy of a day, but late in the day a little breeze picks up, so won't be as breezy tomorrow, but it will be just as hot again. That air quality is taking a little bit of a dip again. Some of that Saharan dust is back one more time after taking a break. It looks like it may be here most of the week. Not in one of the worst categories, but it's kind of hanging in the moderate category and should be that way most of the week, at least through about Thursday or Friday coming up. So no big changes in the air quality, but not getting too bad. Just maybe maybe a little more color to the sunsets too. So keep the cameras and cell phones handy at around 8 o'clock or so in the evening. Satellite radar shows some high thin clouds across the area. The atmosphere overall not unstable enough to cause any rain here. There was some thunderstorm activity just west of the valley yesterday evening in Mexico, and nothing is there now. Showers and storms are in northern Texas, where there have been some areas of heavy rain the last few days in areas of central and northern Texas, and this rain kind of on its way out. I think over the next day or so, most of it will move out of Texas. Future Track here shows dry weather, sunshine this afternoon, and quiet conditions. Nothing on the map. By tonight, stays clear to partly cloudy. Tomorrow, you wake up to mainly sunny skies and probably partly to mostly sunny all day. And notice again, spotty shower, maybe one or two with the sea breeze, which is about right here in the afternoon coming in, but probably will do very little to create rain chances tomorrow. And same thing for Wednesday too. You see most of the day is dry, but the sea breeze again trying to spark a couple of showers, maybe one or two light ones in the lower valley over mainly Cameron and Wilson counties by early afternoon, but most places look dry and hot. And then by the time we get to Thursday, we're probably back into almost no rain, just some sunshine returning. So your rain chances are dry today, maybe a whole 10% Tuesday and Wednesday, and even that might be optimistic. I think your better chances are, again, Cameron and Wilson counties. You could say 10 or 15% there, but probably 5% over Hidalgo and Starr counties. Your first 1-5 forecast today, back around 97, mostly sunny skies, kind of a breezy day, but remember, not as windy as yesterday, but winds may still gust to 30 to 35 miles per hour this afternoon. Then back down to 79 late tonight with mostly clear skies, maybe a few clouds here and there, a few high clouds. That's why I say it could be a nice sunset. That dust in the air, maybe some of these high clouds also around towards sunset, but lighter winds overnight. First 1-5 70 forecast, highs kind of stay in the upper 90s or so the next few days, but each day that will range from the upper 80s at the coast to about 102 or 103 or so in Starr County. Breezy the next couple days, but not as windy or as breezy as today. A couple of showers out there, maybe one or two Tuesday and Wednesday, but that's about it for the week. I think if there is anything out there, it's likely to be just kind of on the very light side across the area without any big downpours anywhere in the state. So we do have a chance to maybe see 100 again by later in the week. Almost no rain, but we'll keep tracking the small chances in your first 1-5 forecast here coming up.